Alright guys, so this is Douglas Valenzuela, and in the next few minutes I am going to talk about just very basic ways for you to be a successful affiliate, and just nothing fancy. This is basically focused to get people that are brand new to affiliate marketing, or they are thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, or are overwhelmed by the whole thing at this moment. So just let's get into it. We'll be talking about it not extensively, but we're gonna get a little deep into it. Okay, all right. The thing with affiliate marketing is that because it's such an open field, there's so many things you can do with it that it's easy to get overwhelmed, and by just having way too many choices, not knowing where to go about it and how to go about it, and then basically just getting a little bit confused, and then just not doing anything. It happens a lot. It's happened to me a few times. A lot of times you just have to just pick something, a niche that you want to go into, and just really dive in it and not be distracted by all these other things that are around you that might be great but might not serve you right now. I know a lot of marketers, they're doing this thing this week, they're doing the other thing next week. They're selling t-shirts this week. Next week they're freaking selling products on Amazon. The week after that they're doing something with eBay, and then after that they're just gonna do Forex. And after that they're just gonna, you know what, I'm just gonna go old school MLM, network marketing again. Let me go back into that, and let me listen to this trainer about how to just get over my fears and this and that. If you're really gonna get into network marketing, do that. If you're really gonna get into Teespring and selling t-shirts and all that stuff, get into that. Go really deep into it, but focus on it. That's what you need to do. Very simple to say, but sometimes not very simple to do, because we're humans, and humans are complicated creatures. So that is the problem with that. So what you need to do, you pick something. Let's say you're gonna focus on selling t-shirts, and that's why you're gonna do your t-shirt selling. You're gonna create t-shirts. You're gonna hook up with somebody that does the whole t-shirt thing, but just find the person that speaks the most to you, that you can relate to, and follow that person only. That person that has all the experience on selling t-shirts online, and they're like a master ninja Teespring, and just do that. Once you master that to a point where you can do it, and you don't have to think about it too much, and you got the basics down, maybe go into something else. But in the beginning, you gotta focus on one thing. Like me, I was trying to do all those things. That's why I mentioned them. Selling t-shirts. I did eBay. I did FBA. I did, what else did I do? I did so many other things other than just focusing on one niche. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically doing affiliate marketing, selling affiliate products, digital products, and that's all I do. If I sell anything else, it would be to complement the digital products that I'm selling right now. I'm not gonna go into like the whole making t-shirts thing, doing surveys, doing MLM, doing network marketing, selling jewelry on lives, and on barter, and selling groups, local groups. All of those things are great. Every single one of those things that I just mentioned are freaking awesome, but you need to focus on one thing, or else you're gonna be lost. You're not gonna make any money. You're gonna give up, and then start again, and give up and start again. So this has been a thing with me that I've been having to start over so many times because I'm not focused. Now I'm focused. Now I'm doing this. There's all these great things going around, right? I have friends that are doing great in Forex. I have a friend that used to be an affiliate marketer, this on a traditional MLM right now, doing awesome. She's focusing on that. That is her bread and butter right now. So you need to focus and just go deep into what you're doing and just master it. So there you go. Just something short, if you're doing weight loss, focus on weight loss. If you're doing digital products, focus on digital products. If you're doing lead generation, focus on lead generation. If you're gonna buy leads, if you're gonna do it organically, if you're gonna do it through Facebook, focus on just one niche. So if you're selling cupcakes, sell cupcakes, and do blogs about cupcakes, do videos about cupcakes, and do Facebook posts about cupcakes, create your cupcake page, all of that awesome stuff, but just focus. So now, if you want to know more about these little affiliate marketing things that I'm doing, and if you want to go deep into it, I have a little ebook in the description that you can go and check out. And if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, I also have some affiliate marketing products that you might want to check out. They're all digital products, and I will see you in the next video. There'll be more in the description. All right, I'll see you later.